Hello, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to be reading you 3 story problems. It is suggested that when you're reading these and working on them that you have something that you can use to help you work through them, like pennies or blocks or marbles. Today I'm going to be using mini Jenga, which are just little blocks. So that's what I'm going to be using for my counter. So I'm going to be reading you the 3 story problems today, and then at the end I will help you with that first story problem. So story problem number 1. Weston has 6 pennies in one pocket. He has 4 pennies in the other pocket. How many pennies does Weston have in all? So that's question number 1. Question number 2. Peyton takes a short walk. She walks for 6 minutes. It takes her 5 minutes to walk home. How long was Peyton's walk in all? Question number 3. Sophia saw 9 eagles. Aurora saw 3 eagles. How many eagles did they see in all? So, like I said at the end, I was going to help you with that first word problem. So I'm going to read it one more time. Weston has 6 pennies in one pocket. So I'm going to pause right there, and I'm going to go onto my whiteboard or a piece of paper, and I'm going to write the number 6. Because I know that he has 6 pennies. Second sentence, he has 4 pennies in the other pocket. Okay, so I'm going to pause. I'm going to write a 4 because I know he's got 4. Now I have to decide. Are we adding them or subtracting them? So I'm going to go to the question. How many pennies does Weston have in all? So since we're asking for in all, that means I know we're going to add. So right now I have 6 plus 4. I'm going to go in, I'm going to write my addition sign and my equals sign. And now I'll solve. So I have 6 plus 4. So my next step is going to be, that's easier to see, huh? 6 plus 4. So my next step then would be to take my counters and count them out. So the first thing I'm going to do is take 6 of my blocks and put them underneath my 6. And then I'm going to count 4 because 4 is my other number. Okay, so now I have 6 plus 4. So since I'm asking for in all, I'm going to be counting them together. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I have my answer. I'm not going to share it with you today because I'm hoping that some of you will share your answers with me later. So I hope that you enjoy these math problems today and tomorrow. Bye. Thank you for joining me.